And let's complete this work. We want to draw the surface development of the frustum of this hexagonal pyramid. So first of all, we need to know where we are opening from. That is the seam of the surface development. So I'm going to indicate that. So we come to text and we select single line text. So click on the working surface and input the height of the letter to be 2, and then the rotation angle is 0. So at this point, I'll call it the seam. So x, and then I'll put x here. All right, so we have the seam. So that is where we are opening from. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do here, okay, so the letter has gone somewhere. All right, so I'll just make use of it. We are opening from here, so I'll just use it like this. We are cutting it and opening from this point 4 here. So, all right, so we need to draw a horizontal line of any length, okay. We put on the auto mode. But that horizontal line, I want to have its own length. So what I need to do now, I need to know the distance from here to here. That is the true length of the whole of the pyramid. So I will come to dimension, then I will select this particular one that is aligned. Then I will click on this point and also on this point, and then that's not okay. All right, so we have it here like this. All right, so it is 65 millimeters, 65 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line of length 65 millimeters. So we input 65, so that's it. All right, so I'm going to extend this. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. So this point here, I'm going to copy this particular letter and I will take it from here. Okay, so let's put up the auto mode. So bringing it here. So this point is point O. I will edit it and make it point O here. So we have that point. All right, so then we are going to take this particular arc. Then, so this is the center point, and then this end, we move it in this direction. All right, so it goes in this direction. All right, so we have it like this. Oh, I need to take it again. All right, so this is the center. So coming to this end, so it goes like this. All right, so drop it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to, so this is a six-sided polygon. So we need to show the length of sides of the polygon here on this arc. So the length of the side of the polygon is 25. So we are going to come here again, and then we select this arc. So starting from this point, so I will give it a distance of 25. So this is 1. So we are going to 6 of that. Okay, so we take it again. So from this point, so give it a distance of 25. So this is the second one. So we take it again. And this is the center. So give it a distance of 25. So we have this. And then we take the next one. So this is the center. Give it a distance of 25. So we have this. Then the next one. So that's 4. So we give it a distance of 25. Okay, then the last one, which is the sixth one. So this is the center. So give it a distance of 25. All right, so we have this now. So what we have to do now, so I'm going to be numbering the points. Okay, so I will copy this one. All right, so, and I will drop it on each point. So this point here, so I'll drop it here. drop it here, drop it here. Now drop it here, so here, and here. All right, so I'm going to change the numbering. So this point here is 0.4. Then I will edit this also. So this is, so after 4, let's look at after 4, we have 3 and 5. So this point here will be 0.3. So this is 0.3. So if I come here, this is 0.4. We are going to have 4 on both sides. So this is 4. And then this point now will now be 0.5. So if I edit this, so this is 0.2. So this one, this is 3. Okay. So why this one here? So 2 goes with 6. So this point is 0.6. Okay. Then we have 1 here in the middle. So this is 1. All right, so we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do is to join them together with straight lines. So we connect this together with the straight line. So also this, then this one, this one, this one, and this one. All right, so then we are going to repeat the line. We are connecting each of these points with the apex of the pyramid, which is this point over here. So we repeat it. So from this point to this point. Okay, so we repeat it from this point here to this point. So we repeat it. So from here to this point, and again, so from this point to this point, and then so the last one is this from this point to this point. Okay, so I'm going to now reach the arcs. I will take the arcs. So I've used them to get what I need. So I want to delete them. So if I have done this manually, so we are not to delete the arcs. So, all right. So then the next thing that we are going to do here is to transfer this upper part to this point. So how do we work that out? So I'm going to make use of this measuring tool. So I want to know the distance from here to here for 4. Okay, so let's see. This is 45.4067. 45.4067. So we take the arc. Okay, so from here, so 45 to 45.4067. All right, so we mark it here. That's the point. So, okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm looking at it if I can mirror it, and I don't think that's going to work. So just let me repeat it. Okay, so we have this point, and again, so 45.4067. All right, so we put the arc here. So that's done. All right, so we move to that of 3 and 5. So let's get distance. So from here to here. So this is 36.7034. 36.7034. So that's what we have there. So we take this arc. Okay. Then, so from here, we give it a distance of 36.7064. All right, so we have this point. So we are going to repeat it again. So on this side, so this is 36.7064. Enter. All right, so this is the point. This is where I need it. So I'm going to break this off. Okay. All right, so I have it where I need it. So I'll just extend it a little bit like this. Okay, so then let's check the next one. So which is for 2 and 6. So we click on this measuring tool. So 2 and 6 is here to here. So let's extend it 28.3246, 28.3246, 28.3246. So we come here, select this arc, and then so we enter the length. So 28.3246. Enter. Okay. Then we take it again, 28.3246. Okay. On this. So 28.3246. All right, so we have this. So I'm going to break off the excess. So, all right, so we have this, and I will extend this. All right, so the last one is for 1. So click on this measuring tool, the aligned one, and then so measure from here to here for 1. So this gives us 27.4257, 27.4257, 27.4257. So take the arc, then here we have this point, so 27.4257. Enter. Okay, so we have it there. All right, so all these points, we are going to join them together with straight lines. So we take a straight line from here. So we join this point and this point with this point with this point here. Okay, so it goes with this point, and this point. So we have all this. So all right, so I'm going to break these lines. I'm going to break them off so that I can make the part that need to be thickened with straight lines. I will still bring them back. Okay. All right, so I will bring them back now. So so I'll take this line and then so bringing it to this point. Okay, so I'll repeat the line. So from here, so taking it to this point, and then repeat it. So from this point to this point. Okay, so and then from here, so this point to this point, and then I will take it again. So from this point here to this point, then I'll repeat it. So from this point to this point here, then I'll repeat it. So from here to here. All right, so that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make this line a thick line. So I will select these lines, including the one at the base. Okay. And I will also select this.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay, so then the base. Select this line, line. So this line.
Fine.
Select this line, and this line. All right, so I will come here and select this. Okay, so all right, so this is the surface development of the object as we see it here. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this one. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.